Okay guys, it's Reed here once again. Looks like it's that time. It's time for another exciting product review from YouTube's only straight edge food product reviewer. We got the Monster Cookie Blizzard from Dairy Queen. It's the Blizzard of the month, people. So I'm looking very forward to reviewing this. And as always guys, remember, if you have anything that you would like Reed to review, leave your comment below. If I like it, I may pick it out and I may review your request next. Thumbnail. Okay people, now this is packed with everything. M&M's, peanut butter, I don't know what else. Look at all the beautiful colors there. The camera doesn't do this Blizzard justice on just how beautiful it really is. Here we go, let's just get right to it. Let's open our mouth and let's enjoy heaven on earth. It's a Dairy Queen Blizzard. $3.81 for a small. Wow. M&M's, peanut butter, cookie dough. That is one badass little Blizzard right there. Oh my God. I tell you what, I'm not gonna lie to you now. My local Dairy Queen, a lot of things I've got here, they've sucked ass. I've even got Blizzards here that were horrible. But this Blizzard is actually very good. I was kind of worried about coming here to this Dairy Queen because I've got a lot of bad things here. I've got things that, you know, other Dairy Queens that taste fine. And I think I got one Blizzard one time and it was like froze solid. I mean, how does that happen? Can't explain it. But this Blizzard, luckily, it's awesome. Very good. Man, get a brain freeze if I'm not careful. Get a brain freeze. I don't want that to happen. Tell you what, people, the peanut butter in this is great, mixed with that chocolate. Beautiful. That is some good stuff right there. Let it slowly melt in your mouth. There's a big bite of that cookie dough right there. Perfect. This Blizzard right here, people, was made with a lot of care. It was done right. That cookie dough right there, that was flat out unbelievable. That burst of flavor I got from that piece of cookie dough. I almost passed out, box. I almost passed out from that cookie dough flavor. Look at this, people. God, it's so good. That is cold. That is cold. Cold and good. There's no doubt about it, people. This right here, this is almost as good as my favorite Blizzard of all time, which is the Oreo Blizzard. This is a Blizzard at its finest. It's the Monster Cookie Blizzard from Dairy Queen. I'm going to do it. I'm going to give it a perfect score, people. I'm going to give it a perfect score. 5 out of 5, flat out, perfectly done. God, that's good. I can't wait to finish it. So that's going to be the official review, people. This is unbelievable. That peanut butter, God, what some great peanut butter with this. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you as always, guys, for watching. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with yet another exciting product review.